Today we're going to discuss how to create a shortcut for the Viessmann fault code checker on your phone's home screen. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your browser. Type in viessmann-us.com. Next, you'll open up the menu. Select Pro Resources. Once the Pro Resources page opens up, you'll click on Fault Code Checker. That'll open up a new window where you have to scroll down and acknowledge that you are a licensed contractor. Once that page opens up, you can go ahead and click on the Send To button or the Share button. You'll scroll down and you'll select Add to Home Screen. You can then rename it or just save it and add it to your home screen as is.